Every year, swag is tossed aside, thrown away, and disregarded. It deserves a better life than this. Swag deserves to be worn proudly, lovingly, and used for years to come. I'm Wes Tate with BELLA+CANVAS, and with your help, we can save the swag. Stop wasting your money on promotional products that just land your company's logo in the trash. But seriously, stop giving out crappy stuff. People love free stuff, but good free stuff. The promotional product industry is a $19 billion industry. And in this video, we're gonna cover 4 ways to create the best crowd-pleasing swag that will have people lining up for it. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're choosing the right product. Now listen, you're gonna be tempted to think that giving out a pen, water bottle, or a tote is how you're gonna stand out from the crowd. This is false. Avoid this temptation. These are actually the least used promotional products. Apparel is the best swag to offer, but it has to be quality. No one wants a stiff, scratchy, ill-fitting shirt. The way you stand out is by offering quality, retail-ready apparel. Going with fleece or products from our Forward Fashion line will have people lining up to receive your swag. These are the products that will be worn repeatedly and for years to come, giving your brand a lasting impression and tons of exposure as the apparel gets worn around town. For examples throughout this video, we'll be using our classic 3001, the long sleeve 3501, and the 3719 pullover hoodie. We have our products picked out, now let's talk about the designs. It's important to research which design trends are happening right now in retail stores. Is it a retro vibe or a typeface? Is it a specific design element that you can incorporate? For our examples here, we're pulling inspiration from our old school athletic club designs, large eccentric fonts, and some classic retro designs. Chances are you're creating swag for a certain event, so think about who the demographic is that will be attending. Then start looking at the retail stores they likely would be shopping at. This is a great place to start your design inspiration. Now let's add color into the mix, because let's be honest, no one likes an ugly shirt. There are a lot of elements that you want to think about, like your shirt color and the design color. This is an area where you can really stand out by choosing complementary colors. Just because you have a bold design doesn't mean you can't also find a colorful shirt to help accentuate it. Lucky you, BELLA+CANVAS actually has more colors available than any other brand out there. So whatever you decide is best for you, we have it. In these examples, we've chosen some classic tee colors that really allow for our design to stand out, and it gives us room to add the pop of color like we've done here. Now it's time to package all these things together with the printing technique. We visited our friends at Apliiq and Deluxe screen printing in LA to get their help displaying these awesome prints. When it comes to apparel decoration, there are so many options to choose from. You can go with a classic ink route, embroidery, vinyl, puff, and so much more. We've chosen a mix of techniques to really make this swag stand out. We're mixing traditional inks with puff inks, giving this really cool texture. We're also using embroidery, which always increases the perceived value. Choosing the right printing technique is how you really elevate your design and your brand. Stepping outside the box with decoration shows that your swag, just like your brand, is worth keeping around. If you'd like more printing and design inspo, you'll want to watch this video right here next. We'll give you even more design tips to elevate your next project.